Guys, welcome back to another evening vlog. So today's video I'm going to be cooking egg and spinach stew in one pot. Yeah, so this is our spinach. This is spinach. Yeah, very affordable spinach. This is enough for us. Yes, and then these are the eggs. I decided to buy 4 eggs. Yeah, and this is our tomatoes and the onions, and this is our pot. Yeah, so I have already made ugali. This goes with ugali nicely. Yeah, I know some of you might be saying, oh, I have never cooked egg and spinach in one pot, things like that. It is very possible. There is nothing that's not possible. All right, nothing that's not possible. Everything is possible as long as you make it nicely. Yeah, so, and by the way, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Subscribe, share, like and comment. Also tell your friend to tell a friend to subscribe to the channel. You might be thinking, hey, this lady loves cutting the tomatoes without a chopping board. Imagine I have a chopping board, but then I'm not using it. I am used to just, I want to do, if I want to cook, I like to just do it so fast. Yeah, I like to do it so fast. I don't want to delay. I feel like if I do with the chopping board, I'll be late. And even today I'm late actually, because I am really late today. I'm so late. I came home, I had a lot of things that I left undone in the morning. Yeah, so I was just trying to finish all those things, so that I do other things. Even now I have to do a lot of things. I have a lot of work to do right now. I have to wash the uniforms for my son. Yes, baby. I have to wash the uniforms for my son. I have to cook before I sleep. I have to wash the utensils, so that in the morning, you never know, in the morning you'll wake up when you're late. So I just rush only to cook tea, things like that, you know. Sometimes, I don't know whether it's me only anyway who sleeps. Sometimes if I sleep late, I wake up late. Yeah, I don't know whether it's only me, but then I'm I'm actually training myself to start sleeping early now. Yeah, so I'm training myself to start sleeping early, so that in the morning I wake up early and yeah, do the work. Like before I before actually I used to wake up early, but now sometimes I wake up early, sometimes I wake up late, but then I trust my speed at the same time. When I wake up late, even when I wake up late, I normally do my work so fast, you know. I do my work so fast. I make sure I recover everything that I was supposed to do. Anyways, this is our tomatoes. I've finished to chop it. Yeah, this is our tomatoes. I'm done chopping it. So let's wait for the, I don't like cooking food with too much flame, the whole volume of the gas. I don't like it. I love cooking my food slowly with a low volume. Yeah, so that is me. When we are done cooking the tomatoes, like most especially when you're cooking this mixture of my and spinach stew, you can see I put the tomatoes, then we go ahead and put our spinach. Yeah, so the spinach will get ready with the eggs together with the tomatoes. Sunikalaria hizo vitabu. Sunikavarie. So let's check our, this is our spinach with the tomatoes. You don't put the eggs first. you leave the spinach to get cooked with the tomatoes, because if you put the eggs also here, then the spinach won't be cooked well. That is how it should be, yeah. So I cover it because it's not yet ready. So I'm breaking the eggs here. This is our eggs. Just go ahead and mix it kama kawaida. Okay, there we go. It's there. Let's check our spinach. You have to make sure your spinach is well cooked before you put the eggs, because eggs is very easy to cook. That's why you start with the spinach. Then we put the salt. Huh? Analia? Alikuwa analia? Sasa sasa hii nimeona masaa zimeenda. So the spinach is okay like that. We go ahead and put our egg. Really? And then at this point, you make sure you cook it on a low heat. If you love high heat, then it's going to burn. Yeah, that one I can assure you it's gonna burn. So you have to cook it on a low heat. Keep on mixing it. Guy. Pelekea Didi hiyo makasi. Peleka hiyo makasi kwa meza. So, guys, this is it. Ni kama. This is it. Egg and spinach stew. Best for ugali. Do I look like I care? I'm not competing with anybody else, Daddy. So at this point, it is ready. You can see that it's ready. Yeah. We off our gas. Yadi nataka huyu afanye homework yake ya nani. Then ndio akule, niko na kazi, niko kufua uniforms. So this is how it will look like.
Ameoga. Ulipata amelala kwa class?
Niliwapata wakicheza hapo nje ya class.
Amelala? So uko awalali ovyo.
Sijui sasa. So guys, that is it. See you on the next video. Bye.